must reserve a right to present that evidence at the proper times.
Okay, so there's a video or recording that was done maybe a month or during the period of time that she had mentioned this, that she was denying. Because we'd like to see that as well. That would weigh in heavily on our decision because ngayon lang po nagpalabas ang depensa ng denial. Parang after the fact na kasi nagkaroon na po tayo ng impeachment trial. We'd like to see that if you have that kind of evidence.
We'll provide.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Judge Zubiri. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Alan Gueda?
I'm not going to ask a question, just for clarification. They just put it on the record.
The gentleman may proceed in yes 2 minutes.
If you look at the articles of impeachment, in Article 4, Respondent Vice President Sara Duterte committed culpable violation of the Constitution, high crimes, and betrayed public trust by contracting for the assassination by the President, First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House by making grave threats and actively inciting sedition against the public. To be fair to the prosecution, I think it was asked of them that merely threatening for you is already, I hope I'm representing it correct, is already impeachable, either high crimes, grave threats, or by culpable violation. Okay? But there's a difference between saying that the mere statement is impeachable by alleging that she did in fact contract someone to kill. Because if you look at the next page, it is the position of the prosecution of the House of Representatives. The fact that respondent contracted to assassin no longer requires further proof, as it is already established under the matter of the right of the own public commission. That's a conclusion of law. Because it is basic that if someone alleges that someone contracted as an assassin, you have to prove. So what I wanted to clarify, and to be fair to both sides, you can comment. As far as I'm concerned, I'm understanding ko, the prosecution did not stop short by saying that by merely uttering that is impeachable. They went further to say that they are alleging that she did in fact contract an assassin. In fact, nowhere in her words assassin, in the words of the Vice President was assassin or contracted. Contracted means may kontrata. Sinabi niya lang may kinausap siya. And yung assassin came from, at least on these documents, from them. So I just want to clarify because baka yung manonood, bakit nga naman hindi kailangan i-prove masabi in public? What I want to clarify, those are two different things. Whether the threat as said is an impeachable offense, but if you're alleging that there was an actual assassin contracted, you have to prove that. As far as I'm concerned.
Can I reply to that?
No need to reply. Senator Judge Cayetano was not asking a question, he was merely making a manifestation for the record. Let's move on, counsel. Counsel for the respondent.